I used this method to grow these Monte Carlo plant. Monte Carlo is best used as a foreground carpeting plant. Important tips. The plant can be grown in a variety of lighting conditions, but it thrives in medium to high light. It prefers a neutral pH and a temperature range between 68 Fahrenheit and 82 Fahrenheit. Also can be grown in medium or high carbon dioxide level. I use this transparent container to grow Monte Carlo because easily identify the roots when they grow. Also made few holes to remove excess water. Now I'm going to make the substrate. This is compost. This is nutrient medium in the substrate. This is topsoil. It helps to bind the substrate particles. This is river sand. It helps to grow roots easily. I placed a small mesh in the bottom of the container. It helps to prevent substrate erosion with the water. I mixed compost, river sand, and topsoil, then filled the container with substrate. Also can use aquarium soil as substrate. Add water to the substrate. Now, you can see stem parts of this plant. These are the roots of Monte Carlo. Now I'm going to cut healthy stem parts carefully. Should use sharp blades or scissor, because if stems are bruised when you cut it, it can lead to mold or spoil the stems. Collect stem parts and make few small bunch. Can plant stems as a bunch, because it is the easiest way to plant Monte Carlo. Make few holes on the substrate. Then carefully place the bunch of Monte Carlo plant in the holes. Then gently press around the plant. When you planting Monte Carlo in a tank, gently press around the stem bunch, because when you add water, plants can be floating. Also, when you add water, fill the tank gradually. Fill in the tank too fast can result in the plant floating. You can avoid those problems using dry start method. After forming carpet bed, you can gradually add water to the tank. Then place the plants in a transparent container or an empty tank. When you use a fish tank, can cover the tank using transparent foil. I'm using my old fish tank and it covered with transparent foil. Carefully place the new container in the tank. I spray some water to increase the moisture level. Important tips. Place a good lamp or aquarium light over the tank. Also should focus about light intensity. Also can place the tank where plants can get enough light, but not in direct sunlight. If you place in direct sunlight, it will cook your plants. Finally, cover the tank or container using transparent foil or a transparent lid. Important tips. Take the lid off for foil and spray the water once a day. Remove foil 5 minutes for a day to bring fresh air. It will help the plant grow faster. If you like my video, like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.